Here's a 2014 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice activation, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and automatic transmission. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.